Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Meridiana, which is in Iowa County, a little bit south of Houston, Texas. Now the builder we're going to view today is going to be Lennar. Now the special thing about this particular model home is Lennar is going to be only one of two builders that will be able to build these townhomes in Meridiana so far. Now a little bit about this townhome. It's called the Baxby 2. It is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It's a little bit over 1,900 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the low $300,000 range. Now, because this is a townhome, the one unique thing about it is that the HOA actually takes care of the front yard landscape and the weekly or bi-weekly cutting. Now, your HOA fee in this community currently is going to be a little bit over the $1,600 mark, but think about it, you don't have to worry about cutting that front yard. If you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. All right, let's go and take a tour of this model home. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now remember, if you have a question regarding Lennar's townhomes in Meridiana, please leave them in the comment section below. Or if you just have a general real estate question, do the same thing. Just leave it in the comments below and I will make sure I answer them. Now, if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe, that bell, and that like. Thank you again for watching. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.